Oh, this one was weird to me. Staying on the topic, but not really staying on the topic. Face masks apparently make wearers look more attractive. Come on, get out of here. In what way? Maybe if you're really maybe if you got something to hide in the first place. Oh man.
Maybe there's like an imagination there.
Go
you know,
on.
like kind
Go
of
on,
like
Will.
the lower half. People.
Well, you got.
I mean, that's one of the reasons why people in different cultures like cover themselves, right?
Go ahead, Will. Keep going.
It's because they want to mask some sort of like, you know.
I don't think you really know the answer to that. Come on, man. You're about to stumble.
There's an imagination.
You're about to stumble in a long form podcast here, and then you're gonna have to write about how cringy that moment was.
Pull a Joe.
Yeah, I don't know. You could be right. For the record, you could be right. I think there's a lot of reasons why, but in this case, the function of the mask is obviously separate, and I never really thought about the look of it. But apparently, this research study they did at Cardiff University. Experts have discovered a surprising new reason to mask up. The study, published in the Journal of Cognitive Research, Principles and Implications, measured how different types of face masks changed the attractiveness of 40 male faces. They discovered the type of covering matters. Blue medical masks were found to increase facial attractiveness more than any other type of mask. What is this? Is this like a doctor thing?
And it's only males, eh?
I don't know why the study was only on male faces, but we wanted to test whether this had changed since face coverings became ubiquitous. Our study suggested faces are considered most attractive when covered by medical face masks.
What an interesting research.
I mean, 40 faces does not, I guess, I don't know how many people were polled on the attractiveness of those 40 faces. Did they say?
Billion.
You would probably have to click on that link. Oh, there we go. 43 female participants. Not a big enough sample size. 43 female participants. Yeah, you're right, Will. I don't know. Maybe there's a mystery component. Maybe there's like a ER, Grey's Anatomy component.
Like sophistication there?
I don't know. I don't. I'm just talking. I'm just making noises over here. Like, because I'm just wondering, why does it have to be a blue medical face mask?
A blue one.
A plain black covering is not going to do it, you know? Also, I'm going around town. The masks I have are black. If I had to pull a mask...
Yeah, you're very unattractive.
That's what I'm saying.
You got to get the blue ones, man.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I thought we were about to put these things away.
Yeah.
Now, all of a sudden, it's a style point. All of a sudden, this news gets out.
I would think the black one would be more attractive, no?
I wasn't doing it for attractive when I was
no,
wearing
just
it.
saying.
It actually, to me, it's more subtle. Like the blue one is so medical. So,
it is, yes.
Anyway, it doesn't.
Okay.
We're about to be done with these. This is about to be over anyways.
Says you, yeah.
Yeah, tail end.
Right. Last one.
Tail end.